Quoting Mr. Warren Buffett, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. Imagine you're sleeping soundly and have cash flowing directly into your bank account. It might sound like a fairy tale, but it definitely can be. Here's 12 ways to earn passive income and make money while you sleep. 1. Create a blog. Yes, that may sound absurd to you, but it does take time, but your efforts will pay off. With the monetization of platforms and the influx of traffic following the creation of quality content, you can earn a small amount even while being in the arms of Morpheus. So, if you feel that you have something to offer people that would improve and benefit their lives in any aspect, and I'm sure you do, then go for it and do not hesitate. In the end, what is there to lose? Before we keep going, please let me know in the comments below, what is your number one stream of passive income? And while you're down there, hit the like button, sub button, bell button. 2. Start a YouTube channel. The concept is similar to creating a blog and the same rules apply. Yes, I admit it takes lots of time and sacrifice. It also ends up paying off. Find yourself a niche to target, produce quality content, and you'll get there. All you need is persistence. And with the monetization of your videos, the money will be in your account before you wake up. 3. Affiliate marketing. Assuming you follow one of the previous advice I gave you, using affiliate marketing on your website or blog is a great way to make money. You may get money every time someone clicks on your affiliate links on your website or blog. You can also make money by placing advertisements on your blog. Number 4, create a drop shipping site. The most popular platform for developing online shops that enable drop shipping is Shopify. When you use drop shipping, you have a website that sells products from specific manufacturers, and when someone places an order on your site, your system simply sends the order to the appropriate manufacturer. 5, make your own online course. We're all experts have at least one thing, and odds are that many people are desperate to learn that skill, experience, or an expertise you have, and some of them are prepared for you to teach them, and they will pay. Writing ebooks or articles, as well as making videos, are all part of the process of building an online course. Your system will automatically give subscribers everything you need once these course materials are up and running. Plus, people who join a membership community website pay a fee in exchange for access to additional features. It's a terrific method to add value to your online course while also earning more money without putting in extra effort. 6, turn your car into a moving ad banner. You can make money by selling ad space on your car, and if you're okay with the ad, then why not? Many companies will compensate you for allowing them to place ads on your vehicle. While you're not exactly earning money while you're sleeping, you're earning money merely by driving around. 7, invest in a vending machine. It takes practically little effort to start a vending machine business. However, in order for it to be effective, you must locate your vending machines in strategic locations and supply them with items that local people would like or need. 8, sell on Amazon. You can sell your products and services on other e-commerce platforms in the same way that you do on Shopify. Amazon FBA or fulfillment by Amazon is a popular option. Individual sellers can use this service to identify things they wish to sell and then have Amazon handle the business and the logistics. Amazon will host the merchandise on their site, process the customer's purchase, and ship them. The following are some of the most popular items sold through Amazon FBA. Investing in children's, teenagers, and young adult books, wholesale products for retail, arbitrage, DVDs. When you consider that Amazon handles the listing, selling, shipping, cash collection, and transmission, and any customer support you need, it's easy to understand how it's relatively passive income. Once you found something to sell, it certainly counts as a way to make money while you sleep. Number 9, rent a room in your house on Airbnb. You may generate money while you sleep while others sleep by renting out a room in your house or your entire home. One of the most common methods to rent out space is tourists through Airbnb. Airbnb makes an average of $924 per month. This figure varies greatly based on where you reside, whether you're renting a room or whole house, or how frequently your space is offered for rent. You'll need to hire cleaners after each visitor and be available to answer questions. Consider creating a guidebook, but you can still make money while you sleep. Alternatively, instead of entertaining guests, you may rent out a room as a storage unit, and a completely hands-off way to make money from any unused space in your home, condo, or apartment. 10, create an app. know how to code, you can make a simple app to sell in the app marketplaces. It's perhaps possible that one of the greatest financial or productivity applications. You may also hire a developer and a designer to complete the task for you. Some people will labor for a profit split while others would demand money in advance. If your software is successful, you'll be able to make sales all hours of the day, and anything above the initial investment will be profitable. Keep in mind that various payment structures exist for different types of apps. 11. Write an ebook. It's insanely simple to self-publish. Are you able to write? Do you have access to a computer? You may then self-publish your books. These days, there are no restrictions to becoming a self-published author. Today, self-publishing is more common than going via a formal publisher. For proof, go to any site that offers a free ebook in exchange for signing up their newsletter. In reality, when you buy an ebook on Amazon, you're almost certainly paying for a self-published book. Tools may actually help you increase the quality and quantity of your writing and material. There are tools that use AI to search the internet for subjects and natural language. What used to take 6 hours to write might now take 1.5 or 2 hours to make. Self-publishing an ebook virtually carries virtually little risk. Your ebook may be read, solely on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, or any other major store. Because Amazon is the most competitive, apply best practices like having a professional cover design. You don't have to pay somebody pricey. And providing a lot of customer reviews if you want to rank higher in the search results. If you're really ambitious, you might develop a series of ebooks or a comprehensive how-to guide on a topic that isn't too broad. Then sell your book using Twitter ads via their ad network, Facebook ads, or Google ads. Before you can turn this into a passive revenue system, you'll need to do a lot of upfront promotion. But if you can get it to work, you'll be well on your way to making the most of this money-making asset. Then, number 12, invest in real estate. I urge you to invest in real estate. One of the pillars that will allow you to make money while you're sleeping. Indeed, choosing a good comment, it finances and a daily life for years. We must therefore be vigilant so as to not be guided by the emotional and the irrational. It is therefore important to explore all avenues, negotiate, and compare. Rental investments will allow you to enrich yourself even while you sleep, whether it was a seasonal rental, non-professional, furnished rental, simple rental, or a student rental. Real estate investment trusts are also a great money generator. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, are also referred to as real estate mutual funds. REITs are a collection of assets managed by a business that buys and develops real estate using funds provided by investors. You can invest in trusts that construct condos, apartment buildings, business complexes, and other structures. Dividends are paid out by REITs. These are a good income-producing asset for folks who wish to get started in real estate investment without having their own property themselves. As you saw in the video, you may indeed get paid to sleep in certain cases, yet others demand upfront labor and to create passive income. Either way, it's better than a 9 to 5. Am I right? This wraps up today's video. Let me know in the comments below which of the 12 ways you intend to start to benefit from. And also, what's the best life-changing advice you've ever received? Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, sub button, bell button. Have a great day. Take care of your pockets and loved ones, and I'll see you in the next one.